According to my inbox, I can fix absolutely everything that's wrong with my body in about 6 seconds. So I thought, let's take a little tour of some of the email subject lines that are currently squatting in my inbox so you can enjoy them along with me from the top of the head all the way down. So starting with my brain, apparently I can flush out those brain toxins. Thank you, Harvard. And there's a 6-second Himalayan ritual that eliminates senior moments completely. Well, as somebody who's in their 60s, that's a relief. And moving down, my tinnitus, apparently it's stress, hormones, inflammation, and probably my fault somehow, but they have a solution for me. My gums, no problem. Just rub some soft ancient calcium on my teeth. And I'm sure my dentist will be thrilled to know that I would be doing that instead of what he's recommended. Oh, my wrinkles, gone. Thanks to a Korean breakthrough that reduces them by 45%. Very specific, very convincing. And my back, there's one email with a step-by-step relief for back pain. It just takes a few minutes. My knees, there's a morning trick for that. And my joints, apparently I just need to rub something on my skin.
It rubs the lotion on its skin or else it gets the hose again.
They don't say what, but I'm sure it's all very scientific. Moving on to my insides, where it really matters. There's a French protein that removes 93% of artery plaque, and my breakfast is secretly causing diabetes. Oh, and I can cleanse my liver and lose fat at the same time. Efficient. And my hormones? Handled. There's a gelatin trick. Oh, and my weight? I'm really leaning in for this one. Apparently it's quite easy. I just need to flip a secret Japanese on switch, and in 4 seconds, I'm good. I feel better already, and my wardrobe just doubled because now I can wear all the clothes that are at the back of my closet that I haven't been able to fit into in like the last 5 years. And my nerve pain, gone in 15 seconds. Or, and I really wish I had started here first, because apparently there's something called a VitalBand, and that'll fix everything for me. Now, moving on to below the waist, we arrive at the part of my inbox that seems very concerned about my digestive system and intimate life. Constipated? Eat this vegetable. Press this spot on your hand to poop. No joke. I know it's not a joke because in the subject line, they actually say, no joke. And the fastest way to poop, they're going to reveal the secret of that. Oh, and then we move from making too few bathroom trips to making too many bathroom trips. But that's okay. They're going to help me sleep all night with no bathroom trips. Oh, there's also a way to reignite her desire. And are you ready for this? Yeah, God's boner secret is going viral among seniors. You heard it here first, unless, of course, you received the same email that I did. It seems my inbox has a theme. But all jokes aside, here's the thing. These emails aren't trying to fix your health. They're trying to get you to click and ultimately to purchase. And you may notice a pattern with these subject lines. Everything is fast. Everything is secret. Everything sounds just believable enough to maybe lure you in to read the email and click a link. And everything promises a result that real life just doesn't deliver that way. If there really were a 6-second trick that fixed all this, you wouldn't be hearing about it from the subject line in your inbox. So when these pop up, you don't need to investigate, don't dig into the email. You just have to do what I do. Delete, delete, delete. Oh, and by the way, speaking of being regular, see what I did there? Let's keep things moving. Go ahead and follow or subscribe for regular updates from Ask Grammy. I'll see you next time. Until then, be safe. Bye-bye.